Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And this is my jam. I have another unboxing for you. And this is Totes Jean's fault. Just so everybody knows, I'm going to make that clear to the camera person, everybody.
So another one for the list.
Yeah, you might have to. So he showed something from this brand and I thought it was phenomenal. So I wanted it and I went to go purchase it and they were sold out. So I couldn't get it.
Clearly that's changed.
So then once you look at a site, you know how your Facebook is and Instagram and everything else, you start getting all kinds of ads for the site. And thinking, don't show me these ads. I can't even get the bag that I wanted to get. That's not nice. But then some very special words started popping up all the time. It's a 4-letter word. It's the word sale. So after seeing it a number of times, I had to go back and
this is why they keep doing that, because it works.
And so I did purchase something. It was on sale.
So this isn't what you were looking at or looking for?
No, it was something else I liked, but I wasn't going to get it at the time because I was mad because they didn't have the one that I wanted.
Clearly didn't stay very mad very long.
Well, I did.
13 seconds.
No, it was longer than that.
17.
And I'm doing a true unboxing, so I thought I'd let you see. You saw I had to rip off the little thing, and actually that worked really well because it looks like the box is going to open right up.
And we're all grateful for that.
I know, because otherwise I struggle. And, okay, so, ooh, this is nice. So, okay, the name of the company is Tanneur, L-E space T-A-N-N-E-U-R. And I'm going to show you all here. Here's what it looks like inside.
Open it up and see what's inside.
It says merci. I know what that means. Sale. No.
Buy
Thank
more.
you.
Stop.
And, all right. So I got my information on here. Try not to, here, now you guys can't see. Let's see. I'm looking at it to see what it says and if it's got the name of what this is. Well, not very helpful. It's in what I believe to be Italian, maybe. So I have no idea.
Spaghetti, fettuccine.
Right. There's thank you. Please find and close your order, which has been carefully prepared for you.
Carefully prepared.
We sincerely hope that you like it as much as we do. Okay, I was trying to see if it had the sale prices or anything in here, but it doesn't.
That's not very helpful.
Okay, and it's got a return shipping label on it, which is nice. Not that I'm going to need it, but my understanding is that the company that does this started out doing tannery items like for horses, saddles, stuff like that, and that they branched out to bags and tacked stuff, and then it just made its way to, you know, women's purses and such as well. And so I also understand that this is really a nice box, that they use the same leather that Hermes does, or the same leather company or whatever that Hermes does. And they have different types of leathers. They have a typical leather, like just more of a smooth. And then they also have a leather that's made for them. And it's got like a T in the pattern of it. And so it comes all nicely put in this here. And then it has a nice dust bag. So far, so good. I'm very happy. Nice, substantial dust bag.
You can use that for your laundry.
No. This is a lot of strings, boy.
I thought there weren't any attached.
But but this is something that I don't really have this color in, at least not in a luxury bag for sure. and I'd been wanting something in this color. And this was so much cheaper than the Celine Nano Tote I had been looking at.
Where the air quotes were cheaper.
And I got this baby.
Hang on, I gotta grab my sunglasses.
But see, can you show up close how the leather has the T pattern in it?
I'm trying to. It's there. Maybe that'll help a little bit. We can kind of see it.
Okay. And it comes, this one has silver hardware. So the bag that Gene had was a little bit different than this. You can, I'll link his in the description box below, his review of the bag. This one was a little bit different. His had a flap that came over to close the bag. Mine is just open. Now, they have their symbols like the little T. And I have little there's stickers. I'll have to take those off. So you have the little T's there. I don't know if this comes out or not. It doesn't appear like it does, but it could be strapped in there. But another thing that's really cool with them, so it's just an open bag with, there's a slip pocket in the front here, a middle zippered pocket where you could put more valuables and stuff in, and adjustable leather strap, removable clearly, and then there is also a pocket on the back. But if you can see in here, they have this beautiful blue,
Let's open it up.
Signature color.
There we go.
Inside, that I think is just gorgeous.
It's kind of like a brewer bag.
And right. And then there also is not only just a slip pocket on the side here, there's also a zip pocket in the back side here, and then a pocket here, like for your phone. So I just think this bag is gorgeous. Yeah, and it's got, okay, well, let's show it here. On Beckonsman. Charlie's Angels? Okay. You gonna keep on, no? Okay. That. And then there's feet. And it smells really good. This bag is gorgeous. This is like a luxury bag. I would consider this a luxury bag. This is just incredible. There is smooth leather here. There's the piping here. That all seems and looks beautiful. Here, the craftsmanship is just fantastic. Let's see what's in here. Look at, you can put your name in there or a little picture of somebody inside. So, I just love the silver hardware. And, yeah, I just think this is gorgeous. So, I believe this was 50% off.
So, tell the people at home. How much was it?
I can't remember for sure. I think it was originally almost $700.
Just spending money willy-nilly.
I believe it was almost $700, and it was half price.
So $350-ish?
About that, yeah.
Ish?
Yeah, I think $378 with tax and free shipping.
Whoa.
This
That's
is
the
gorgeous.
cherry on top.
This is just absolutely gorgeous. This came, I ordered it, and it showed up less than 2 weeks for sure. It smells phenomenal. They have
a spot? No, it's just a stitch.
Yeah, stitches there and there, and
So is the company overseas?
Yes, I believe it. I believe it's Italian, but I'll put it's Tanneur, Latanneur, and that I looked at. That's how I found it. But I'll put the website link down in my description box below as well. But they have some really fun colors. The color Gene had was blue. So if you go watch Gene's video, which I'll put below, I believe he bought the large in his bag, and this is the medium.
What color is that?
My bag. I don't know what the technical colors are. But the blue is what I wanted. They didn't have it. Only in smaller bags, and I wanted at least this size of a bag. Then I felt better because I got my Fendi, and that's kind of a periwinkle blue, so that kind of scratched that itch, even though they're not the same color. But I kept on thinking about this yellow. They also have a beautiful orange, but they're still full price. And they have a Tiffany blue, or more like a seafoam green, I should say. It's not really Tiffany blue. It's like, I'm trying to think, seafoam
You must have
green.
dry skin.
Kind of like the, why?
So many itches that need scratching, it seems.
Oh, stop it. Yeah, it's kind of like the mint. It was like a mint color. But those are full price, so I didn't get those. But I would have to say that I don't doubt there's another one of these in my future. This is just absolutely stunning. This is gorgeous.
You talking about the bag or me?
Both. It's hard not to be talking about you as well. And I have to look right at you while I'm filming. But no, this is just awesome. So my tape measure over there is gonna say I probably should have measured or showed you guys measurements. Okay, here we go. I asked for it, I got it. Just to give you an idea. So the bottom here, I would say is 11 inches.
We would concur.
7 inches top to bottom.
Yeah, maybe even closer to 7.5. We'll call it 7.
Side.
It is tapered on the side a little bit.
Yep, a little bit. So they probably, when they measure, from the bottom and would say 5. But you can see that obviously it's not 5 all the way up.
Almost like a 5 to 3.
Yeah. So I'm trying to think. Well, okay, I recently got my Fendi. Show you that. Definitely smaller than the Fendi. So just kind of give you an idea of if you know that. Or here's a medium Dior bag. So I would say it's
pretty comparable. I mean, maybe a
longer.
little longer, yeah. The taperedness looks similar.
Yeah. So just to kind of give you an idea of size-wise. So so far, I am just unbelievably impressed, to be honest. Jean, good thing you showed yours.
Yeah, you're on the list, buddy.
His is gorgeous. So like I said, this is the medium. There is a larger size in this one versus the one that Jean got. Jean's, I believe, is the large in his size, and it's about this size. So you definitely want to look at the sizes on the charts that they give you. They don't have a lot of colors in their different styles of bags, but they do have a nice variety of colors. Again, this is their signature leather with the T's. They do also have other leather. But I'm super impressed. This is beautiful. I do believe that every bag that I remember seeing had silver hardware. I can't say that they all do for sure, but I know they all have like the blue interior, and this is just gorgeous. I am so excited about this. I wanted a bright yellow bag with spring and summer hopefully coming right around the corner, and so I didn't know if you were gonna go like this to camera. No, I'm just really pleased. These are nice, beautiful rolled leather handles. I mean, this reminds me exactly of my Nano tote. Okay, I was thinking it was my Nano tote, and here you go, drop the phone while I'm doing this, but it isn't this. Which one is it? The back of these handles look identical. I was thinking it was the Celine Nano, but it's not.
Cameraman's been day drinking, evidently.
Right. Well, it reminds me of something. If I come across it, I'll let you know. So.
And if she does find it, I won't throw the phone on the floor.
So, that is my reveal for today. This could be like a true Wisconsinite bag, because this would match the gold in the Packers, or the blue with the gold with blue and gold for the Brewers, like you pointed out. So, if you're looking for a bag that matches your sports team, no, no, I'm really pleased. Gene, wow, what a great find. He's found some really unique brands by watching some other people too, and this is a definite. I'd have to say there's probably going to be more of these in my future. This is gorgeous. So, yeah, that's my bag for you today, my video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the description box below. Either way, please leave a comment. I really appreciate that. Helps me get to know everybody a little bit more, and I really love that. I really love getting to know everybody a little bit more. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. That would mean a lot to me. And you can hit the notification bell. That lets you know whenever I put up a video, so you can watch everything that comes up. If you haven't already found me, I'm over on Instagram at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually put up reels over there about once a week. Usually kind of when I switch out my bag, I'll show you like my new bag of the day. And I have kind of a couple other things in there here or there, but I really like that platform just for the short little reels. And I put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. I've been trying to stick to that too with the new year here. So far, so good. We're almost just
3
over
weeks,
half a month in, and
right?
I've been doing it. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Did you see I dropped the phone?